Deep dive into the heart of New York City to uncover hidden gems that even the locals cherish. If you're tired of the tourist traps and craving some authentic NYC experiences, you're in for a treat. Let's hit the streets and explore. Our first stop is a serene oasis amidst the concrete jungle, Greenacre Park. Tucked away in Midtown Manhattan, this hidden gem offers a peaceful escape with its lush greenery, cascading waterfall, and cozy seating areas. It's the perfect spot to unwind with a cup of coffee or simply enjoy a moment of tranquility. Next up, we're heading to the City Reliquary, a quirky museum in Williamsburg dedicated to celebrating the unique history of New York City. From vintage subway tokens to odd artifacts found on the streets, this offbeat museum is a treasure trove of fascinating relics that showcase the city's eclectic charm. Prepare to be inspired as we step into Socrates Sculpture Park in Queens. This dynamic outdoor space serves as a platform for emerging artists to showcase their monumental sculptures and experimental artworks. With its stunning views of the East River and engaging community events, it's a hidden gem that's not to be missed. Let's take a culinary journey to Arthur Avenue Market in the Bronx, often referred to as the real Little Italy of New York. This vibrant marketplace is a foodie's paradise, offering authentic Italian delicacies, fresh produce, and artisanal goods. Get ready to indulge in mouth-watering cannoli, savory prosciutto, and so much more. Venture off the beaten path to the Hispanic Society of America, a hidden cultural gem located in Upper Manhattan. Housing one of the most extensive collections of Hispanic art and artifacts outside of Spain, this museum offers a captivating glimpse into the rich heritage and diverse cultures of the Spanish-speaking world. Last, but certainly not least, we're escaping the hustle and bustle of the city to explore the cloisters. Tucked away in Fort Tryon Park, this medieval oasis transports you back in time with its stunning architecture, tranquil gardens, and priceless medieval art collections. It's a peaceful retreat that feels a world away from the chaos of modern-day NYC.